How to add a border frame to photos on iPhone for free. Open the Photos app on your iPhone. Select the photo you want to add a border frame to. Tap the edit icon at the bottom of the screen. At the top of the screen, click on the pencil icon to access markup tools. At the bottom right of the screen, tap the plus icon to open additional options. From the pop-up menu, select the Add Shape option. Various shapes will appear. Choose rectangle or square based on your preference. Now, tap on the circle option. Now select the rainbow-colored circle. Here, change the opacity to 0%, leaving the frame area transparent. Now, close the color settings. Tap on Stroke option. Now, set the border color and thickness as you desire. Drag and enlarge the shape to fit the photo's border. Once satisfied, tap on Done in the top right corner to apply the changes. Tap on Done again to save it to your Photos app. And that's it. Your photo with a frame is now saved in your gallery.